Hi friends, um, we have this diagram which essentially has two parallel lines, and then we've got this V-shaped structure uh, lettered as AOB, right, which is included between the two parallel lines. Now the question for us is find the value for x. The way we would approach this is, first of all, draw an auxiliary line which passes through the vertex O of that V-shaped structure. Draw an auxiliary line such that the auxiliary line is parallel to the given two lines. So this is a dotted line. It's an auxiliary line which was not existing, but I drew it parallel to the given two lines. Now, if that is the case, first things first, you have this point O above which we've been given one angle as 235 degrees, and therefore the other angle about the point O would become 360 minus 235 degrees, which is 125 degrees. What is the reason for this? Angles about a point add up to 360 degrees, and that is the reason why if one portion is 235, the other portion becomes 125 degrees. Now you have this 125 degree angle, which is this entire angle. Let me point it out like this with this arrow, right? So it's a 125 degree angle. There are actually two parts, as you notice. Let me use a different color. Okay, so you have this one part, okay, and you have this other part. Let me use two different notations for this, okay. This first part, let's talk about this first part. This first portion of the 125 degree angle, which is this angle, okay, this angle is corresponding with the angle which is of the measure 2x degrees, right? And because these two lines are parallel and AO acts as the transversal, using the corresponding angles postulate, you can say this also is 2x degrees, right? Corresponding angles are congruent when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. So you have these two parallel lines intersected by transversal O, the first and the second parallel lines intersected by transversal O, right? So that gives you one portion of the 125 degree angle to be made up of 2x degrees. Now let's look at the other portion, which is this portion. If you notice, this dotted line and the third parallel line, these two are also parallel, and BO acts as the transversal for them. And because these two lines are parallel, the 3x plus 5 degree angle becomes same side interior with this portion. And same side interior angles are supplementary when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. And if that is the case, you can easily mark this angle to be how much? 180 minus 3x plus 5 degrees. Okay, that's it. So you have two portions of the angle 125, okay, which is this entire angle. This entire angle was 125 degrees, which you broke into two parts, 2x degrees and 180 minus 3x plus 5 degrees. And therefore to solve for x, you have a simple algebraic equation which says 2x plus 180 minus 3x plus 5 equals 125 degrees, right? And therefore when you expand the bracket, you get 2x plus 180 minus 3x minus 5 equals 125, and therefore x becomes 50. I hope this makes sense. Write back to me if you have any questions. Thank you.